Yeah, chat Christmas dinner, you know, chat mackerel and some all butter brown rice. So I say, see water, cooked rice, butter, garlic. What else there? Yeah, Christmas dinner. I have some string bean on the side. Simple, natural going, so we're not going to say no. Do this and beat me. Yeah. Who can eat so simple for Christmas? Let me know. Lumberjack. Me see man. And some cold ketchup with spice, taste and flavor. Natural simple mackerel and rice. Well spice up.